Okay, namaste, guys. Today we have a interesting kind of a video. Here is a very interesting retreat that's going to happen this year and for astrology students. So Aditya and UG along with Dr. Raj Vedam is actually going to present a very interesting set of knowledge on Phalita and astronomy and Jyotish historical dating and all that. So let's get into it. Aditya, why don't you go ahead and share what you'll be um,
Great.
showing for the video. Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, hello everyone. Thanks, Sandeep ji. So this we have from a long time we were thinking that astrology should be looked as a whole, not just in the classroom aspect of it, or not just the mathematical aspect, or not just the Phalita or the Jyotish aspect of it, but as a whole, the mathematics, the Phalita, literally going and seeing outside the stars. If we could do that, that is a unique opportunity, and to study the subject as a whole, observation, mathematics, Phalita, and all those. So we have organized with the help of Hindu University of America, which is near Groveland, very near to Orlando. We have arranged with their help. We are arranged a small conference, a small retreat, basically during the month of December 2025. Genius of Hindu Astronomy, Ganita and Phalita Jyotisha. It's with Dr. Raj Vedam. I think some of you may have known him. There are several videos of him. With Mendoza will be joining us too, and myself. This retreat goes from December 11th to December 14th of this year.
Well, those of you who are just learning, I think it might be one of the best classes you could take. If I was just starting out, this is exactly what I would want, because I would understand I would leave understanding all the branches of Jyotish from people who have invested years in their aspect of study. And I would be able to understand which portion of Jyotish I maybe wanted to study more, or which attribute I liked better. So something like this retreat could give you a good idea of what part of Jyotish Shastra may become fruitful for you, like where you may bloom the most. So I'll be covering these deeper aspects.
This is a website, right? This is the website. I think it's easiest thing. This is a website to register for it, right? I think the number of thing is 50 or something, right? The total capacity is like 50 kind of thing.
We have a limit, 50. We cannot go over 50 people because we're going to be actually viewing the night sky using instruments. And Dr. Vedamji and Togiji are going to be giving their undivided attention to each student. So this is going to be difficult for them if it's beyond 50. Yeah, and then Togiji and I have been there now quite a few times. They saw Sri Ashwatji with the Shiva, Lord Shiva retreat. And no, it's a wonderful campus. Yeah, and we went to Dr. Vedamji's first class. Yeah, it was great.
Yep.
Yeah, so
great. This is great. I want to thank Dr. Aditya Togi and UG for actually, sharing information about the retreat. So hopefully students of Jyotisha and astronomy can actually, join the retreat happening in December 11th, if I'm not mistaken, 11th to 15th, right? 11th to 14th, kind of thing. Yeah. So check out the website, and if you register, actually, great. Okay.
Hope
so
to
thanks
see
again.
you all back.
Yeah, wonderful. I love this. This is exciting. Okay.
Great. Then.
Yeah.
Okay.